I have an upcoming tour, by the way, German tour. I'll be playing at Moto Moto Festival in Cologne, Germany, Cologne, on the 25th of July. And I also have a bit of some workshops from the 16th of July right up to the 25th in Germany as well, but in Berlin.
Are you going to be the only person coming from Zimbabwe, or you are going with other artists, or you are also going to perform with other artists from other countries? Tell us more about this event.
Well, the Moto Moto Festival. Well, there is going to be other Zimbabwean artists, mMbira, Silent Ngo. There's a whole lot. I could mention a lot. There's a whole lot coming from here, from Zimbabwe, and others that will meet that side as well, who are German-based, and then we're also going to have German musicians. But it's just not only me that is going. Munyamatarusa is also going to be in Cologne for the Moto Moto Festival. So yeah, it's a whole lot of us. That festival is merely pushing Zimbabwean music to the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Guys, I'm Tendai Mavengeni. I'm inviting you to Moto Moto Festival on the 25th of July, 2026 in Cologne, Germany. Uyai titambe mbira dzekwedu. Tinozviziva kuti kana muri kunze uku, you are starved of Zimbabwean live music. We are bringing organic music to you. Sezvairi tiri kuuya nayo, saka uyai tigodzana. Hanzi kwatinobva kunorira mbira, kwatinoenda kunorira mbira.